Okay, hello everyone. I have been making soaps this week, so I didn't film the making of these three. So what we've got here is lime cooler. So from here, lime cooler, florist in the middle, and 4 and 20 blackbirds on the right, my right. So I'm just going to cut them. So we'll have a little chatty video. So we'll cut in order that I made them. Okay, so first up I'm going to cut lime cooler, which I haven't made for a while. It's been in stock, but it didn't sell as well this last time, so I wasn't going to make it again, but I decided to make it again because it's my actual favourite soap, like my own personal favourite. I love this soap so much. It's just got such a lovely sweet lime fragrance, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. So I thought I'm not going to not make it, because there's other customers out there that do still buy this. But it's one that sells, but one that nobody really talks about, see what I mean? Like, some people go mad over certain soaps I make, and then others that don't get a mention, but it consistently sells. It's just this one didn't sell as much as quickly the last time, but it's probably because it's been in stock for so long. So anyway, it's the sort of soap that sells in the shop a lot. Like, whenever people pick it up and smell it, they always buy this. So that's why I want to keep it in as well. So it's difficult because I obviously get people in the shop and they can smell the soaps when they come to visit. And this one they pick up and they're like, oh, that's nice. So it's one of those where you look at it online and think, oh, it's just lime. But you don't know till you smell it. It's just lovely. So trust me on this one. Lime cooler is one of the nicest soaps that I make. And I've had people come in and say about the lather of this one. Some weird reason. I use the same base, but they say the lather on this one is just creamy and lovely, and makes me wonder whether, well, it makes me realise that fragrance does make a difference to the way a soap will perform. It's like White Witch is always so creamy and lovely, and yet my base is the same, but people always say the same thing about this one. So yeah, lime cooler. This will be ready sort of, where are we now? In about 3 weeks, so mid-August. This will go back up online. So you can mark your calendar if you want one of these. Yeah, it's a lovely, lovely bar soap. I love this so much. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that's lime cooler. So I've just been filming some other videos which will go up before this one. I've been filming all day yesterday making soap, and then I've been filming this morning just to cut the soaps I made on film, and then I thought, well, I've got a load more, I may as well do a cutting video because they're always nice. So I'm in a bit of a weird mood today. I don't know why, I just feel a bit odd and maybe a bit out of sorts, but I'm probably going to go home this afternoon and just get on and edit these videos. So I might just give myself a little break, you know, I could do with it. Matt's having a week off next week, but I can't do that. I've got stuff to make for autumn. Okay, we're moving on to florist, sorry. We've made florist on film before, so here it is again. This is such a lovely soap as well. This is like a fresh cut flower scent, and it smells just like walking into a florist shop. It's crazy how much this smells like that. It's nuts. It's not just all flowers. You can really smell the green stem and the water and that lovely fresh flower scent. It's just beautiful. Oh, it really is good. So I love this one, and I haven't made it, I think it was last year. I don't think I've made it yet this year. I think it was last year I did it. I have to look back and see what the batch code was, and it'll give me the month. So yes, so yeah, I think I need a bit of a break, and I think I need a bit of a rest. So I might just do that this afternoon. I don't know what Matt's doing next week. He'll probably expect me to have a couple of days off with him, which I might do. But I do really need to work on my autumn products so that I'm done, because start of September we are going to Cornwall with my family. My mum's not coming, it'll be me, my older sister Natalie, and her husband and her children. So she's got Thomas, who is 30, and Ethan, who is 18, I think he's 18. And we've got 2 doggies to take. So my dog and my nephew Thomas's dog is a Whippet cross, so she'll be coming with us, so that'll be fun. So we're going down there because Tracy wanted her ashes scattered at a place called Gwithian, so we're going to go down to that beach and take a little bit of her there. She's not all of us going to end up there, because we've all got like a tube of her. She was cremated, we've got like scatter tubes of her. There's just been this running joke about Mom not wanting to give us our tubes. So I got my tube off my mom a little while ago so I could have a bit of my sister at home with me. It's all just bizarre because it doesn't mean anything anyway, but it kind of does. But yeah, I got my tube, so she's sitting on my dressing table. So I'm going to take a bit of her down there, but not all of her. So yeah, we've got to go and do that, but that's just part of, we're going to have like a nice holiday. So we're staying in an old engine house in Cornwall, which is beautiful and been done up really nice. So we're going to stay there, and it's right on a beach. The only trouble is that it's not a dog friendly beach, but we'll see. In the evening I'm sure that people won't mind. So, and we're going early September, so it won't be like there'll be hordes of people. It'll be, you know, not so full of people then. Okay, so moving on to what the hell? 420 blackbirds, sorry, mine just drew a blank then. Okay, 420 blackbirds. So this one is a blend of patchouli and damson and rose, and it's absolutely gorgeous and I absolutely love it. So I had to make a new batch because I'm just about to sell out of the last one. I did it in a different mould the last time, so I've gone back to putting it in these moulds because I prefer the way it looks like this. So this one I use that plum purple, a strawberry red and a black mica. I normally use a charcoal, but I use mica this time. It's a Black Magic mica from Mica Mama. Just because I didn't want that grainy feel of the charcoal, so it swirls really pretty. So yeah, I've got a break coming up at like September, the start of September, so I really need to get my autumn products made before that comes along, and it can take quite a long time because I procrastinate quite a lot. It's not that I do that actually, it's when orders are here, like when orders come in and I've got loads to do. Obviously the making has to go on the back burner, but at the moment I've cleared all of my order pile. I've got one from a couple of days ago to get out the door. And that's it. So I'm ready to make, which is such a nice feeling, because when I've got loads of orders to do and I know I've got a backlog of products I need to make, I get stressed. So at the moment I'm not stressed too much because all the orders are done, and it's just such a nice feeling to be free to create, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I've got some whip soaps to do, body cream batches to do, bath salts to do, hair rinses to do. My hair conditioner is one of the best sellers, so I always have to make sure I've got plenty of that in stock. I just make the base and then usually make fresh to order when the orders come through. There's lots of scent choices, but it is a really good hair conditioner, so yep, I ship that worldwide as well. If anybody's interested in any of my products, you can find the link to the shop below. And I do offer worldwide shipping, and it goes by weight. So whatever it costs by weight is what you pay. And it gets worked out automatically because it's hooked up to Royal Mail to do that. People always say, oh, I wish I could order, but you're in the UK. It's like, you can order. Just go to the website and have a look. And you can. And just look at the shipping page and you'll see that you can order, and I will send it to you. Okay, I'm going to just trim that one with the planer rather than try and cut the edge off. So yeah, you can order if you want to, wherever you are in the world, I can ship it to you. Just let me trim that off. Okay, so they're ready for trimming up on the sides, and that's that. So that's that cutting video. So it's short and sweet. That be that today. So I will see you for the next round, which I don't know. I'll see what I'm doing. I might make some other stuff, like I might show you how I whip up my whip soaps. I won't be showing you how I make the base because it takes a long time, and I don't want to share the recipe for that because I spent 3 years trialing it until I got it right. So, you know, naturally I don't want to be sharing that online. You can buy whip soap base from, I think it's like called Crystal OPC. You can buy that and use that to make whip soap, but I won't be sharing my whip soap recipe. I'm very sorry, but I won't be doing that. But I can show you how I whip it and show you how I pipe it in the jars. If that's something you want to see, let me know and I'll do that for you. If you don't want to see it, let me know as well so I don't waste my time. Okay, I'll see you later. Ta-ta.